Right, this is the Swissvax Master Collection bag, including the wax, which we've currently got for a raffle at £9.99 per ticket. I think there's 85 tickets available, and we're looking at a Valentine's Day draw, so you can treat your beloved, i.e. yourself or your car, to some fantastic pampering. If we sell all the tickets before then we will do the draw before Valentine's Day, but we are setting Valentine's Day as the end date. Let's have a look what you're going to win, or what one person's going to win. But this bag on its own is just fantastic. That's well worth £9.99 just on its own, that bag, even with nothing in it. But let's see what's in it. Got 2 zips on there. First of all, you've got your handbook. Handbook gives you all tips, directions and application methods for all the products that are included within this master collection. Get your product index there at the back. And you've got 2 detailing brushes, which different size ones, which are those ones there, one for your wheel and one detailing brush. And then we have the new brush, that's for your tyre dressings. Put them back in. And we've got a couple of boxed microfiber towels. You've got some more cloth there. You've got another box of microfiber there. A micro drying towel, and then you've got your wash poodle. Back in. So the good thing is, if you've got any damp wash poodles or drying towels, you can keep them in this part, separate from all your other bottles and products that are in this department. Wow, exactly. Zip compartment first. You could also use this compartment here for any wet stuff that you've got. First of all, you've got your mini duster. That's probably going to be good for go to a car show or something. You just get the top layer of dust off. Also in that top compartment you've got a pair of nitrile gloves, and also you've got a compartment divider for the rest of this bottom half here if you wanted to split it up or move it around to have different size compartments in there. These zips are fantastic with a little Swiss flag on there. Right, we'll start from the left. Get these triggers out of the way. There's a pump. So, this side you have your regular cleaner fluid, that's a pre-wax oil. You've got your medium cleaner fluid, which is your micro scratch remover. And then there is a strong cleaner fluid, which is a scratch remover. Back in. Right, this one where all the trigger sprays were, you've got your quick finish, which is your detailing spray. Got your car bath, which is your shampoo. Wheel spray forte, wheel cleaner. Lotos speed detailing fluid. Your glass cleaner, which is crystal. And your new tyre and rubber dressing. So you'd obviously use that with the brush that was in the other compartment at the top. compartment here you've got a couple of microfiber fluffies. One's got a red hem and the other one has got a red border, I should say, and the other one has got a grey border. You can make sure you differentiate between what you're using. We'll save that till the end. Here you've got your clay, which is your paint rubber. Get a block of that in your bag. This compartment you've got a couple of large UFO style foam applicators with a nice brand on there. Protection, plastic conditioner, your quick interior finish, got another applicator there. You've got your Autobahn Carnauba luxury wheel wax. You've got your metal polish, and you have your wood polish luxury Carnauba shine. There's your leather cleaner, get your leather milk, and then you've got your Swissvax leather brush. And the wax we have included with this Master Collection is inside here. The large 200ml pot, so it's going to last you ages, of Mirage. And that's it. That's everything you get. Just pop it all back in the bag. Triggers back in. It's not bad, eh? All that for £9.99. It's worth £845 on the Swissvax website. You can go and have a look at that now just to prove that it's the correct price. That's the Master Collection with the Mirage wax in there, the 200ml wax, but just that bag on its own is just fantastic. You've got your two carry handles there, and you have your shoulder strap there. And that's it.